Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe, I'll absolutely appreciate it. Guys, Umayeni has finally spoken on this Vuyokazi Mpumelelo saga and the kids, and I feel like she's being pushed by people's comments on social media, of which I feel it's not fair. Some people can really be insensitive about about this matter. In actual fact, guys, Umayeni has really tried to be the good parent kuMpumelelo. Uzamile Umayeni ukumbonisa indlela uMpumelelo, even though Mpumelelo decides to do whatever he wants to do, but Umayeni as a mother uyidlalile indima yakhe, uyidlalile, and we have seen a lot of scenes. We've seen he speak to Mpumelelo ezama umfaka endleleni emtshengisa ukuthi no, you can't take this route, don't treat these women like this because uyabahlukumeza. And I'm telling you as a mom, because ngiyazazi into ezihlukumeza umuntu wesifazane, uzamile guys Umayeni. So this whole thing that's going on is absolutely not her fault, because she tried her best. So Umayeni posted her picture on Instagram, and then someone commented and said, the granny umhlophekazi ngahle akhulele e-UK nobaba oyishef. Guys, that's very insensitive, given the fact that Umayeni raised umhlophekazi up to who she is now. Umhlophekazi has always been staying with Umayeni, guys, and Umayeni has been taking care of umhlophekazi like with everything. I remember there is another episode where Umayeni was saying ukuthi sometimes umhlophekazi gets sick and nguye ovukela esibhedlela with the child and all that. Like, she has tried her best. So for her, ngemva kokuba esekhulise ingane ngalolu hlobo, then someone comes and comments to her athi ayibo umhlophekazi phela is going to grow up in the UK nobaba oyishef. Really? Guys, that's so insensitive. Umayeni responded, what basho njalo ? Honestly, I thought this comment was very unnecessary. So on the same picture, someone also commented what Umayeni wabona amathumbu ngoMpumelelo. So Umayeni responded wathi yena ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uthi ngabola amathumbu, awusiyanibongela ke nina eningabolanga amathumbu, kodwa awuwazi phela ukwethesa icala lengane sengathi ihamba nami. Lezinto ozishoyo akuzona ezami, azingidingi mina, ngoba lokho ukuthi ngibole amathumbu kusasizani ukulokhe ungifaka entweni yezingane engingahlangene nayo. So someone also said ngumayeni uMpumelelo bekumele amuse special needs school, special school, right? Then Umayeni responded and said, I think bekufanele ukugcine kuwena okwe special school kule post, ngoba mina ngiwumzali, noma ngabe ingane imbi kanjani kubantu, mina ngohlezi ngiwumzali wakhe, khona emubi enjalo kinina, ngoba owami awukho umgqumo wokulahla umuntu ngoba naku abanye abantu bembuka ngalendlela abambuka ngayo. Manithi special kulungile indlela enibona ngayo nina, niyokubona nani kwezenu, ngoba ingane mayikhula yenza izinto nje. Hey guys, I think some opinions we honestly really need to keep them to ourselves, or rather you can come comment maybe under a blogger's video or something, but like to go and comment under a post kaMayeni uthi wena uMpumelelo bekumele asiwe a special needs school, or uMayeni wabola amathumbu, that's very insensitive, because honestly, how would you feel if it was your child? It's better ma bekhuluma ngakho elsewhere, not on her page. On her page, that's a bit too sensitive, because that's like going to her house to visit her just to go tell her ukuthi listen, wena wabola amathumbu, wena ingane yakho bekumele uyise special needs school, lalela wena umzukulu wakho useyekhulela e-UK ekhuliswa ushef. That's not things that you can go to her house and tell her those. No. Maybe you can comment on Facebook, on the bloggers channels and everything, not to her under her Instagram posts. No, I think that's not right. These are the things that drives some people into depression. So honestly, I think that was very sensitive, especially given the fact that Umayeni really tried her best, because I think at some point she will end up thinking to herself, okay, is there anything that I did wrong as umzali, like khona yini lapho engaphambanisa khona or something like that, because of such comments. So hey guys, such comments, we are not supposed to say those comments, especially under e-post yomnigas. No. Hi again. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.